What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And on today's video, well, I just want to give you guys a quick update on my GoPro Karma Drone in 2019. Now, I have crashed it 3 times already. First time was in the beach. I went on the side of the rock. I had these Mastercraft propellers that I had bought. I had done a video. Link will be right here if you guys want to go and check that video up. But I did have these propellers, and it did go on the side of a rock, and they did get pretty damaged, as you can see right there. They're pretty chopped up and stuff. Look at that. Bam. They're pretty damaged. Couple of them got bent, like this one here. You can kind of see them bent right there. This one's pretty jacked up. But these propellers did take a beating, and for them being that jacked up, they did actually, it did fly afterwards. So it fell. And at first, the little gimbal, the little stabilizer, wasn't working all that great. But I found out that one of these tiny little plastic piece of this propeller had got stuck in the gimbal. I just used a little bit of like a credit card, pulled it out. The gimbal worked fine. The GoPro Karma Drone, the little lights on the bottom popped up, but you can just easily pop them back on. There wasn't no physical damage to the drone besides that, but that just clipped on and everything worked fine. Second time I was out there in the desert in Ridgecrest, and I was flying on a restricted area zone. I think there's a military base up there, so you can't actually fly at all. And somehow it went up, and then as soon as it got up, it went back down, and it just came down hard. Nothing happened that time. It just landed pretty hard. The landing gear kind of buckled in, dragged for a little bit, but the drone survived. And the third time was a couple days ago. I was flying in my backyard. My 5-year-old daughter, I was telling her, step aside, the drone's gonna land, you don't want to be around here. She decided to throw a basketball up in the air. It hit the drone. The drone went belly up, and it just went like straight into the yard. And now that one, I did break 3 of the stock propellers because that's all I had. These master aircraft, they still work, but it kind of doesn't stabilize the GoPro Karma that well because they are damaged. So didn't want to mess that up. So I put the stock ones on, and when it went down, 3 of the propellers broke. The GoPro Karma Drone didn't take any damage whatsoever. It did work. It was pretty good. I was pretty pissed at the moment, but I did go on Amazon and I bought these replacements. So you got a set of 4 propellers. You have a set of 2 complete propellers. So a total of 8. 4 black ones and 4 gray ones or white ones is what they say. So these are almost exactly like the stock propellers here. They're pretty good actually. For a total of 8, so 2 sets was about $22 with Prime shipping. Link will be in the description below if you guys want to go ahead and check them out. But they're a lot cheaper than the GoPro ones, and they feel just exactly and look just exactly like the GoPro ones. So I couldn't tell a difference. I actually went for a test flight this morning, flew the drone, and it actually worked pretty good. So I was pretty happy with the performance of these propellers there. So if you guys need to absolutely replace some broken propellers, make sure you hit that link in the description. $22 for a set of 2 full propellers. So it's a total of 8 propellers in total with Prime shipping. Got them the next day, and they fly pretty well. I didn't notice any difference from the stock to these propellers here. These basically, I think they are stock. They feel just like these broken ones right here, and they're sturdy too, just like these broken ones. So not too bad. So for $22, it doesn't get better than that. But so far I've been flying my drone, the GoPro Karma Drone, in 2019. I've had fun with it. Crashed it 3 times. I survived the 3 times. I'm pretty new to this drone thing. For $300, I think I did buy it for $300. I'm absolutely loving this drone. Maybe later on in the future, once I get a little bit better at flying, I might upgrade to a more expensive drone with more features. But as for a beginner, you can't go wrong with this GoPro Karma Drone in 2019. You can find them cheap. You can find them, I know Best Buy is clearancing them out. I don't know if GoPro still has them on clearance, but I've seen some refurbished ones. Ain't nothing wrong with the refurbished ones either. But I'm absolutely loving this drone. I'm getting some nice footage. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions regarding these propellers, the master aircraft propellers, or the drone itself, please leave them down in the comment section below. Again, please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.